Good morning! In today's video I would like to make another fabric haul because I went to town and I did little fabric shopping. So the first thing I bought pink zippers with gold zipper pulls. They are 15 centimeters long. I bought them six pieces. I think this kind of pink is so lovely. It's like baby pink. So these are the 6 zippers. Then I bought 2 fabrics with bow pattern. The first one is pink with white bows and the second one is white with pink bows. I'm really obsessed right now with bows, so of course if I saw them I needed this kind of pattern. They are cotton fabrics. This one too. This is really nice. I really love this. With this I think they're really cute. Now next one is these butterflies and little blue leaves in here. Little dragonflies. I also bought something yellow. I think this print is really lovely. It's quite small. And also I bought this kind of blue. They are cotton fabrics too. Then I bought again little bows with pink stripes. It's like gingham fabric. I think now the next one is this satin fabric with strawberries. I really don't know what will I make this, but the print was so nice. Maybe little scrunchies or I will put this inside the zipper pouch. I just grab a little bit for this. Then now the next one is pink with purple flower fabric. This is not cotton, this is like polyester. But I like this purple flowers. They didn't have cotton fabric like this, so I bought a little bit this one too. And the last one is this soft purple fabric. This one will be good to make maybe a zipper pouch like this one with this fabric. Maybe I can even use this zipper. So this was my little fabric haul today. You can tell me in the comments what's your favorite fabric. My favorite is these two, of course, and I really like this yellow. I don't really have yellow fabric, so I bought this to add my collection. So thank you for watching and bye!